Ready? Start. The structure of a newspaper article is very important. A well structured article should be helpful for the reader to follow and understand the story, and most importantly, it should engage the reader, encouraging them to read on. The following articles: Germany grievous for a hero who dared not admit struggle with mental illness, from the newspaper The Times, and it was a real thrill, says tourist nearly eaten by a 18-feet great white shark taken from the Guardian will be compared to each other and analyzed. The headlines of both articles are similar in the way that they both use dramatic, eye catching words to grab the attention of the reader. The headline of the Germany article uses the words hero and mental illness, which would make the reader question how they could be linked and persuade them to read on. In the shark article, the sentence 18 feet great white shark and quote it was a real thrill are included. This is interesting for the reader and would make them want to find out more about their experience. The opening paragraph of an article should briefly include who was involved, what happened, why it happened, and where and when it happened. The Germany article includes all five of these points, whereas the Sark article only includes who, what, and where. However, by not including all the information, the reader is more likely to read on to find more about the story as the detail becomes more developed in the following paragraphs. The closing paragraphs of the articles are similar in the way that the less important and less necessary information is added towards the end. They have both been written using the inverted pyramid structure, meaning the information is arranged in descending order of importance. The most important material is placed at the beginning of the story and the less important information follows. It is effective because it tells the reader quickly what they want to know but can make the ending boring with no suspense. Although in the Sark article a quote has been included in the closing paragraph and was said by the man who experienced the shark attack, which is interesting and engaging. The same quote is also included in the headline, which links the whole article together. Stop over.